How to calculate valency in oxides. First, let's talk about what valency even is. Valency is the amount of bonds that is made by one atom. I've got a water molecule right here. In this compound, hydrogen has a valency of 1 because it only forms one bond. This hydrogen has one bond and this hydrogen also has only one bond. Next, when you look at the formula of water, you can notice this number, the number 2. What does it mean? An index is what this number is called. Index is the amount of atoms of an element in this molecule. For example, in water, the 2 in H2O means that there are 2 hydrogens. Pretty simple. One more piece of information is that in all oxides, valency of oxygen is always 2. Humanity got pretty lucky on that. Now for the formula itself. Valency of the first element multiplied by its index is equal to the valency of the second element multiplied by its index. Now let's run some examples. First, sodium 2 oxide. We don't know the valency of sodium, but since valency of oxygen is always 2, it's 2. Next, what is the index near the oxygen? It's not written. Chemists decided that if the index is 1, they will not write it, because it kinda looks dumb. So let's actually use our formula now. Valency of the first element, we don't know it, let that be x, multiplied by its index is equal to the valency of oxygen multiplied by the index near oxygen. It's 1. Now, it's pretty easy to tell that x here is equal to 1, and that will be the valency of sodium in this compound. If we look how the molecule is structured, we will see that, like in the water molecule, sodium has only one bond next to it and oxygen has 2. Now for the next example, a harder one. P2O3, that will be phosphorus oxide. We will use the very same formula, it works for absolutely any oxide. The valency of phosphorus, unknown multiplied by the index, is equal to the valency of oxygen multiplied by the index 3. Pretty simple to tell, x is equal to 3. And if we look at how the molecule is made, we will see that phosphorus has 3 bonds and oxygen has 2. That is a double bond, it counts for 2 bonds. Now for the last example, SO2. The valency of the first element, x multiplied by the index, not written, it's 1, is equal to the valency of oxygen multiplied by 2. Now valency of sulfur is 4. If we look at how the molecule looks, it's pretty easy to tell that there are 4 sticks coming out of the bubble with the letter S. Now, so that you actually remember what you've just learned, try doing this. Calculate the valency of chlorine in this compound. For the solution, x multiplied by the index is equal to 2 multiplied by the index. Pretty easy to tell, the valency of chlorine here is equal to 7. Thanks for watching, and if you want more guides like this, go ahead, subscribe to my channel.